Good morning everyone. Myself Shruti Vijay of Standard 8th from Little Flower International School, Uttar Pradesh, Mo. My topic is pollution control mechanism. I am here to tell you about the biggest problem of Delhi, Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh. As we know, these places are responsible for the increase in pollution due to the burning of stubble, sugarcane bagasse in winter, which causes harmful respiratory problems, and even it also affects the climate of that particular region. Some steps were also taken by the government in past to decrease this pollution, like people have to wear the mask, and odd even rule was also introduced by the Delhi government. The solution of this problem from my side is that first, the government should purchase their stubble from the farmers by creating local storage at every village, and they should appoint their official on that every local storage. Farmers should be allowed to sell the storage directly to the government, no middleman should be involved, and money should transfer directly to the farmer account through DBT. This will also provide economic benefit to the farmer. Second, the government can create a central storage so that the stubble can be transferred from local storage to the central storage. After the collection of all this stubble from local storage to central storage, the government can sell them to any electricity production company. This will also provide economic benefit to the government. At last, the electricity production company can burn the stubble to produce heat. As we know that there is no burning process in which there will be no pollution. But in this, the pollution will be very less according to the burning of stubble in huge amount by the farmers in their agriculture field. So, the heat produced by burning this stubble can be utilized to vaporize water. This vaporized water can be used to rotate the turbines, hence the electricity will be produced. This electricity generation can be named thermal power. At present, we have 1800 TWh power. The average electricity produced in India is 1800 TWh. But there is no shortage of electricity except summer due to very high demand. But due to loss of its distribution company, the village in India get less electricity. This electricity generation is similar to the electricity produced by coal. This electricity generation can be named thermal power. Thank you.